Today, we're at Huarachito Restaurant, which is my favorite restaurant in downtown LA. Sorry, right now at this moment, I'm in Bakersfield, and it feels like an oven. That's crazy. Okay. Gracias, Terry. No, yeah, it's por taco, yeah, sí, yeah.
You know, I can put a little sugar in this.
Maybe.
In this El Pastor, or whatever she means. Probably the best El Pastor I've ever had.
Yeah, I'm telling you, she knows how to do it. Okay, David. ¿Listo para movie director?
Oh,
It's okay, it's going.
going.
Yeah, okay. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to El Huarachito Restaurant. I'm here with Todd and Mike. Todd and Mike are specialists in flooring. Todd just did a huge favor for me, and we're just eating right now. And I wanted to ask these guys a question. The question is, after you've worked for a long day, you've gotten really sweaty. We know that you got to put the water back into your body, right?
Yeah.
What are the 3 other things that you have to put back into your body after a long, sweaty day of work? I'll just tell you, they're the electrolytes. Okay. So, what are the most common electrolytes? Gatorade? No.
That one.
Let me cover up.
Sí.
Huh?
Corte.
Gatorade is not the number one. It's not even an electrolyte, Todd. It doesn't even count. It's a drink. It's got mostly sugar in it.
But it says it has electrolytes.
So the 3 electrolytes are sodium chloride, table salt. When you sweat, you taste your sweat. It's got salt in it. So you gotta put the salt back in. The next thing that you gotta put back in is you gotta put back. Turn my phone off. The next thing you gotta do is, and this is the one electrolyte, Mike, that you were saying, if you get low on this particular electrolyte, you'll feel sick after a long day.
Yeah.
Okay, what have you felt before?
Just drain.
Really drained, yeah. Because if your potassium level is low. So the thing I was going to ask you is, how do you put the potassium back in your body? Where do you get it from? Bananas are good. Is Gatorade the best place to get potassium? No, it's not the best place. I'm looking for one of the tacos that we ordered. It's coming. Okay, we'll continue when we get those tacos. Okay, so an excellent source of potassium is right here. These are actually tacos with chorizo, but potato. Potato is a very good source of potassium. So if you've worked a long day, you've gotten really sweaty, you're up, like some of the places you were telling me about where it's really hot, and at the end of the day, you got to put the salt back into your body, you got to put the water back into your body, and you're like, where am I going to get a potassium? I really don't want to drink 5 Gatorades to get back what I lost. Potato will put that back into your body. Potato will totally do it. I'm going to put some back in right now, although I didn't do all the work. So the reason why I don't look so pretty is because you want to make a video and your life is a real life, meaning you got a regular job. You got to squeeze it into everything else you do. All right, now the teaching point for this video is very simple. It's a mnemonic. It's something that I want you to remember. So I'm going to say this. Potatoes have potassium. Potatoes have potassium. Potatoes have potassium.